A little while back, I was in my 4Runner. It was nighttime. I needed some light for something, and I hit my map light, and it didn't come on. I was rocking the stock halogens, which aren't very bright, so I started doing some research online, and I came across Lasfit. These are L-T10 bulbs, which are also compatible, or it's the same thing as a 194 bulb. So I went ahead and purchased them, and they're supposed to be a lot brighter, which I'm sure they are. These are LEDs, and it says they obviously are much brighter than halogens, and they have no polarity, so I don't think it matters which way you plug these in. They should work either way. So I'm going to go out there, take out the old one, and put one of these new bulbs in. In order to put these in your 4Runner, the only thing you should need is some kind of pry tool, or you could probably possibly use a screwdriver, but you shouldn't need that many tools, and it shouldn't be that bad. So here's a little comparison of the size of them. This side is the stock halogen bulb, and this side is the new Lasfit L-T10 bulb. Not a lot of difference. They look about the same size, but obviously the LED is going to be a much better upgrade than replacing it with another halogen bulb. We're in the 4Runner, and I've just got this light here to shine up here, but I'm going to display for you. I'll turn this light off. That is the factory halogen light, and as you can see, it doesn't put off much light. This side was the one that burnt out, and this one is going to get replaced, but you can tell how pretty much how dim it is. And we're going to be replacing both sides with the Lasfit L-T10 bulbs, and they should be much brighter LEDs, and they should last longer too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our pry tool, and we're going to go from the outside here. Just start working that out, and it shouldn't take much. See, there, it's already loose. So now that one's out, and I'm going to shut that light off. If you want to, this middle part right here also pops out. So if you want to make it a little easier to maybe get your finger in there and grab that, you can. I know I only said that probably one thing is required, but you can also get some needle nose pliers, and be very careful, but you can try to grab this halogen bulb with your fingers or with these pliers. Hopefully it just popped right out. But you want to be careful with the pliers, because you don't want to break it. So once we have done that, we are going to take our, probably can't even see it, take our Lasfit T10 bulb, and we're going to just slide it back in there where the other one was. Very simple. And the polarity on these does not matter. It says on the packaging that the polarity does not matter. So we'll just pop this, take this side right here with the hooked edge, and put that on the outside. You should just have to push in there, and there you go. So that side is done. So I got the other side switched out. Very simple, just the same as the other side. But I realized after I had done that I wanted to give you a comparison. So here is the stock factory halogen, and here is the new Lasfit LED bulb. What a difference. That's crazy. So much more light. You can see, turn this light off, but you can see you know, everything. I'll put this bulb back in. I just wanted to give you guys a good visual of just the difference between the bulbs. So I'll get the other one installed back on this side and I'll show you the finished product. So now that I have everything installed, I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So there's driver's side, passenger side. I can't believe how much brighter these are than the stock halogen bulbs. I like how it turned out. Much, much better. I'll be able to see anything, almost anything in this car now. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope it helps your decision if you were on the fence about these. But wow, they are much brighter and they look much, much better.